the Sounds of Japan. Hi everyone, welcome to the Sounds of Japan. I am Shin, DJ, tour guide, and your buddy on this adventure tour Japan. This channel is all about Japan, Japan, Japan. As a tour guide, I'll be bringing you hard-rocking story, my personal experience inside the trip, and all the coolest info about Japan. So turn up the volume and stay with me till the end.
Can I have a water, please?
I'm so nervous to record my opening talk. Yes, when I listen that's Japanese funk music, I thought, wow, this is so cool. I wanted to use the one. I just set up my editing software and I try to spark my opening and talk. How do you like it sounds? This is so nervous. Yes. Okay, by the way, today is the 2nd of April. Yes. How can you imagine about April? For my case, April is to meet new people and to start new challenge. Yes. So why did I start this channel? Yeah, that is 3 reasons. Yes. First reason is just people say, "Oh, your voice is so good." Oh, really? I'm very happy to hear that. So how about my face? They say, Okay, by the way. Yes, second reason is this is a practice of English and improved my English. I am a tour guide. I'm treating the many tourists from foreigners. Yeah, that's why English is super necessary. I'm still doing it on online lesson. This is my day routine already. But English is still deep in the word. If I wanna reach is a native speaker, mentally it's a mind. It's so far away. Yes. But I love talking English. If I can be more fluent and confident, that would be great. Yes. Okay, so the reason is I am a tour guide, in Japan. This is an independent tour guide. I already have many experience in my past. Then I can share something good experience and bad experience, of course, and then give you some informative information about Japan. I saw that. Yeah, that's the 3 tip of a reason. Yes. Also, I have the resolution for 2025. First resolution is I'm talking to later, but I started a diet. I'm a heavy guy, but I just started diet. That's the first resolution. And second resolution to start the podcast. Why not? Yes, now I'm doing this. Congratulations me! Anyway, I will support your new challenge. I know everybody has potential. Don't you think so? In this corner, I pick up interesting article about Japan, share it with you, and we think about it together. It's like a mini news show. Are you ready to get it? So let's check out today's story. Japan's plan for Mount Fuji tourism. Mount Fuji is a famous mountain in Japan. Many people visit it every year, but too many visitors cause litter. To fix this, Shizuoka and Yamanashi prefectures will charge 4,000 yen entry fee from July to September. Only 4,000 people can climb each day. They must book online to climb. Climbers will take a safety class and pass a short test about the rules. New rule will stop hikers from entering the mountain between 2 p.m. and 3 a.m. unless they stay in lodge. This plan helps manage tourism in Japan. Other places, like Miyajima Island, also use taxes to control visitors and protect nature. This shows how Japan is trying to balance tourism and the environment. Well, I understand that situation. Actually, I'm walking at Mount Fuji during summertime, even this year too, right? I started walking at Mount Fuji since 2023, but I'm not mountain guided. I'm just handling the fifth station of Yoshida Trail. Yeah, we have 4 trail in the Mount Fuji. Thus, Yoshida Trail is the easiest way to get a top, and that's why so many tourists coming during summertime. Yes, maybe 2 years ago we didn't receive any like entrance fee. It's free. Yes, but last year just started is paid 2,000 yen. That's entrance fee. And also they decided the limitation is for until 4,000 people a day. Yeah, 4,000 people, it sounds very a lot. But before them, they're coming. It's like 10,000. It's crazy, but it's no much foreigners. It's only Japanese people. Yeah, that's why I'm this kind of decision is I understand it, because that one is from over tourism. Yeah, some of foreigners very like sweet thinking to climb in the Mount Fuji, just to come to here, no raincoat, like t-shirts and half pants and sneaker. Hey, why not? I got that top. Mount Fuji is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, that is so dangerous. I know Mount Fuji is a very beautiful mountain, but if we ignore any rules, just change is a very dangerous mountain. I think it is last year that is like 25 people or something. It's yes, according its official website. Yeah, that's why. And even some problem is the altitude sickness, right? So Mount Fuji is maybe his station temperature is about 20 degrees. It's very comfortable to stay there. But when I get to the top, oh my goodness, sometimes it's minus degrees and heavy raining and thunder, right? So have to get the protection. It's a raincoat and special mountain shoes. It's a guaranteed. Yes, and also some issue it's about bullet climbing. Yeah, people just didn't get any accommodation, no booking. Just started the climbing and camping. Oh, it's so dangerous. If maybe they happen is altitude sickness, they cannot handling it anymore. Just retire. Yeah, but after retire, where can I stay there? We had nothing is a mountain huts. Please don't do that. But if you follow the rule and climb properly, the scenery will be amazing and you will definitely have wonderful memories. Fuji is a proud symbol of Japan. Fuji is a pride of Japan. If you are in Japan this summer, why not make plans to climb the Mount Fuji? It will be a wonderful experience for you. You finally arrived in Japan? But where should you go? So many choices, so little time. Lost in the sea of information, aren't you? Worry not, my friend. In this special corner, your humble tour guide will take you by the hand and lead you to the must-see place and the must-try experience of Japan. The place I present to you today is Tokyo Disneyland. Wow, big name. The Kingdom of Dreams and Magic. Located in Urayasu, Chiba, this world-famous theme park is packed with magic, excitement, and fun for everyone. Families, couples, friends, you name it. In 2023, it hit a record-breaking 32.5 million visitors, making it one of Japan's biggest and most popular theme parks, right up there with Universal Studios Japan in Osaka. From jaw-dropping ride to magical parades, there are always something amazing happening here. So if you are in Japan, you won't wanna miss this one. Yes, I think it is one of the best choice to get a Tokyo Disneyland. Yes, when I had a tourist customer, I asked, what is your planning in Japan? They will say, hey, yeah, ready to go to Disneyland, and second day, I'm so excited. It's so many like a customer saying that it's like a guarantee, to get a Tokyo Disneyland. Yes, this is a Chiba prefecture they have, but it's not far away from Tokyo to the Chiba prefecture. It's a Disneyland, maybe by 1 hour, for 1 hour by train. It's quite easy, and when we get there, you can play a whole day. You don't need move anywhere. Just to stay Disneyland is a much fun. There are so many buildings and stuff and some character. Each point is so many charming. It's so nice. Yes, I know one episode because of that stuff. He is a cleaner. Yes, but when like some bad attitude customer try to take a photo, because the photo is it's okay, but if you wanna take a photo with some Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, you have to get a line. But sometimes they cut in the line something annoying people, and loud is getting angry, But that cleaner wouldn't say, hey, what the fuck, get out here, you never come back. No, they wouldn't say that. So they will say, oh, excuse me, so sorry, please consider about the other people because they are waiting for getting a line, and please take it our promises. If you don't mind, I'm so sorry, it's for our bad dates. Wow, it's too much excuse. It's like amazing. This is like a Japanese, too much services. Yeah, I sometimes don't agree that, but it's a Tokyo Disneyland is kind of special. It was so surprised. Yes, and I think you should get a parade. Parade is something in the afternoon, and dinner parade. It's an electrical parade. Yes, that is so nice. And then after electrical parade, it has a big fireworks. This is yes, the end. It's Tokyo Disneyland. This is don't miss it. Yes, for my experience, because Disneyland is so many getting line. That is a guarantee. When they got something poo vehicle, poo honey hand poo or something, that's the name. Yes, it was getting line for 3 hours. 3 hours. Oh my shit! It's 3 hours, so takes long. Oh my! I'm not familiar to getting a long line. Even if I find this good ramen shop, just excuse it. So that's why it's not my type. Yeah, but everybody like it to get in right. Yeah. I just good suggestion in Disneyland. If all of vehicle getting a long line, I recommend is one vehicle. The name is It's a Small World. Yes. This is a take a boat maybe for 20 people or some. Yes, and then to watch something more cute in character with some music. The music is oh my god, so make me feel so comfortable and happiness. It's a very recommended. If you so many getting right, just don't miss it. It's a small world. Japanese, a language of beauty, elegance, and grace. Each sounds are soft, its rhythm smooth, and within each phrase lies a deep sense of respect and kindness. In the corner, I'll introduce a short Japanese phrase each time, explain its meaning, and in the end, we will say it together. A little moment of learning, a little journey into the heart of Japanese language. Are you ready? Let's begin. So today's word is 行ってきます and 行ってらっしゃい行ってきます行ってきます mean is I gonna go so that case is when we left the house to say 行ってきます I gonna go to the person and the person will respond to them 行ってらっしゃい行ってらっしゃい The meaning is take care of yourself that is like an answer. Yeah, this is a two like a family, dad, mom, brother, whoever. This is a very traditional like a greeting is of Japan. So even me when I left the house, 行ってきます it's a more like a casual thing. And then to maybe my mom say 行ってらっしゃい that is more like a warming word, right? Yeah, I just introduce you today. It's 行ってきます and 行ってらっしゃい Are you ready? Okay, repeat after me. 行ってきます行ってきます行ってらっしゃい行ってらっしゃい Did you get it? I would be happy if I could teach you Japanese little by little in this way. Now, let's see what the next word will be. That's a wrap for today's episode. How was it? Did you like it? I had such a blast. Every time I imagine what you might be curious about when it comes to Japan, I got super excited and inspired. There's so much more to share and yes, I'm keeping this going, so stick with me and let's keep the good vibes rolling. See you next time. The watchword is the Sounds of Japan.